This is Good Friday, but Zena, what? What? But we're having a wee bit of snow on this Good Friday, aren't we, Zena? What? What? Oh. Oh. What? You want me to throw you snowballs? I have to get my shoes on for that. Here, I'll just grab a little bit of snow for a snowball. Because you want it so much. Did you like the snowball? All right. I'll grab another one. Oh. Come on, puppy. What? 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 Oh, are you silly with all the snow? March 21st, 2008, and a lot of snow for Zena. What? Zena? What? What? Ruff. Ruff. Oh, you goof. Come on in. Come on in. Come on in and get warm. Come on, Zena. Zena, it's a little blizzard out there, you silly goof. What? Okay, come on. Come on. What can I tell you? Okay, come on. Oh, there she goes. The crazy snow dog. Oh, there she goes, the crazy Zena. Zena, what? Oh, you've got a sock. Come on, hand over the sock. You